Pupunta ako sa library. Performative. May basa. Ayun, so let's get ready with me. Pakinggan nyo na lang akong dumaldal. Ayun, so yung sunscreen ko, I use it as a primer as well. And then yung Vaseline, na nagwo-work lang. Yan yung only thing na nagwo-work sa akin. And then, konting concealer, and then yung eyebrows, of course. Mine-maintain ko na siya slight. Kasi, ewan ko din, nagdadalaga na ako eh. Tapos, ayun, inaayos ko lang yung pagka-blend niya kasi parang hindi siya nagpantay. Pero anyways, maybe it's because of the holiday season. Hindi napantay sa akin yung kulay. Or baka nakabilad lang ako. Ayun, yung all-in-one, color, chena ko. Color stick, whatever. Nagamit ko siya everywhere. So, nakakatipid ako sa blush and sa lippy. And I think bagay ko naman siya. And then, setting all of this with the powder that I bought. Yeah. First time ko magka-setting powder, so sinusulit ko siya. And then, curling my lashes para, mas presentable akong tignan pag may lashes. And then, lippy. Ayun, after that, just drying my hair, allowing it to air dry. Tapos, ayun, tatago ko lang behind the mask dahil may sakit ang person. Pinalitan ko to kasi pinagalitan na ng tatay ko. Yes po. I love studying inside libraries kaso ang problem ko, sobrang tahimik, sobrang lamig, mabilis akong antukin. And mabilis akong ma-distract dahil nga lamigin ako. Pero thankfully, during this time, nakafocus talaga ako kasi I need to finish whatever I was doing in here dahil malapit na yung deadline niya. And super fluctuating ng internet namin sa bahay by that or during that time. So, wala talaga akong choice kundi to lock in and do everything in just a short period of time. But the thing is, dahil meron ngang event, they closed the library super early. Like, oh my God, I was so disappointed kasi bala kong gabihin sana sa library. However, okay, whatever. Need natin sundin yung policy nila. So, lumipat ako ng venue. And because of my sickness, like ubo ako ng ubo, sipon ako ng sipon, sobrang nakakahiya talaga when I was doing my research and all inside the cafe, which you will see later. Like, this is the life of a second year student. Sobrang parang grabe, ang daming ginagawa. Balok pa naman kasi ako dito. Hi guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Ano bang expect ko sa video nito? Pero ayun, sana inspired kayong mag-aral dahil ako hindi na. Kailangan ko ng motivation. See you next time.